Hi everyone, Hollie from All Care Physiotherapy here, and I'm back with another running tip of the week. So this week I thought I would show everyone my foam rolling routine. So we're well and truly into the running season and we start to get a few little niggles, sore and tight muscles as we participate in more running competitions and we're training harder and harder. So I just thought I'd show you what I get up to. I don't foam roll every day, but I do after my runs and usually on a Sunday. Find it a good way to roll out any tight muscles and I'm left feeling refreshed for my next run. So when I'm foam rolling, I use a longer foam roller and I make sure it's nice and firm. I do change my routine from time to time, but usually I do a fairly full body roll. So I'll start off nice and simple, so I'm just sitting on the roller at the moment. This allows me to do my hamstrings. So I will spend a little while on each muscle group. And I do both legs as well. So I can do my hamstrings in this position. I can also move it down and I can roll out my tight calves. I will change the angle so I can do my lateral side and my medial of each calf. I spend quite a bit of time on my calves as I do suffer tight calves, as most runners do. I can then also flip over onto my belly and that way I can get my quads in this position. So just starting at the knee, and I can roll forwards and backwards there. I then move on to your ITB, which runs just along the outside of your quad muscle there. So that's more on your side. So coming on your side, I put my leg in front, you can put it in front or behind, whatever's more comfortable for you. Keeping the bottom leg nice and straight. I'll roll forwards and backwards. And lastly, I use the foam roller on my back. I find it nice and relaxing and the most comfortable. So just roll forwards and backwards like so. And lastly, I will just lay along the foam roller and give a nice stretch out through my back. So that's my foam rolling routine. I hope you found it helpful and keep up the great work. See you next time.